Hello everyone, this is Mandeep here. Today 29th of September 2021 and this is National Achievement Survey based table chart comprehension. So in this chart it represents the number of new employees added to the different categories of employees in a company कि किसी कंपनी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਵੇਂ employees ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਐਡ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ. It also shows the number of employees from these categories who left the company every year ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ EMPLOYEES ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਵੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ. So this company was founded since 1995. So the number of years were started from 1995 to 2000 and for the various posts these employees were for the managers, technicians, operators, accountants and peons. So let us discuss the questions now. First question is, what is the difference between the total number of technicians added to the company and total number of accountants added to the company in the year of 1996? So we will see 1996. Okay, in this one they have asked about technicians, okay, and another one they have asked about accountants. So in the year 212 is here and 200 is here. Okay, technicians they have appointed 272 and accountants 200, and the difference between 272 and 200, that is 72. So option A is a correct answer. Okay, A option is a correct answer. First is A option. Second is, what is the difference in the number of new peons and the peons who left the company in the year of 1999? So in this category we will see the peons here is 224 and 120. So what is the difference between these? 224 120. So it is clearly 104. So answer is B. Okay, second answer is B, 104. Now we will see the question number 3. In which year no one left the company? ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਈਅਰ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ EMPLOYEE ਨੇ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡੀ? So it is clearly visible 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in which year this is? In 1995. So option C is a correct answer. Okay, C is a correct answer. In 1995. So now question number 4, what is the total number of new technicians in all the years? Okay, so we will see here. Okay, how many total number of new technicians? ਤਾਂ new technicians ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਐਡ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ ਇਸ ਕਾਲਮ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. So what will be the answer? Okay, why adding this? Yes, 2492. 2492 will be the correct answer. Now the last question is, in 1997 128 dash left the company. So we will see 1998. In this, where is the 128? Okay, 128 in 1998 in 1997. So this is the 128. Okay, so technicians 128 they have left the job. Okay, so B option will be correct answer. So first is A, second B, third C, fourth B, and fifth B. These are the correct answers. Hopefully you also understood the paragraph also. ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਵੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਸੋ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਡੇ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਆਫ ਯੂ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ so much to see this video.